Today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi P344 18-volt 3/8-inch ratchet. This little puppy comes with a 4-position rotating head and up to 35 foot-pounds of torque. Rotations per minute is 230, weighs about 2.4 pounds without the battery, and it's about 11.5 inches long. Comes with everything you see here. Get the manual. One neat thing is it comes with a socket extension, which is pretty cool, and it actually has storage in the front, so you can actually store it right there. So let's take a look at some of the features and take it for a spin. So some of the features that we have on this is the forehead position, the little ring right here. Lift that up to rotate and lock down, lift up, rotate and lock down, all the way around. And bring it back around, so that's a neat little feature. The onboard storage, like I was saying, is great for the extension. Right here is a trigger lock. Pull that off to use it. You get variable speed. The only thing that I'm a little hesitant about, it is made out of metal, but the paddle switch, I have a tendency to actually step on these. Luckily, this is made out of metal, so I'm hoping it'll stand up to time, but time will tell. So we got that. Pull the extension out. Snap that on. Goes on easy, off easy. On the back here is your forward and reverse. Right there, forward and reverse. So we're going to put a socket on. Snaps into place. Get ourselves a battery. Take our lock switch off. We've got variable speed. It's controlled by depressing the power button. So let's give this a try and see what happens. Put it in forward. Put it in reverse. And as you can see, it has an LED light, so you can see. This is not a torque wrench, so this is great around the house for tightening and loosening nuts and bolts. I really like it. I like the design and the swivel head, so you can get into tight spaces. So I'm going to add this to my collection. Really like this. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.